Hey everybody, it's Taylor Sparks and I'm back with another video from Integrating Materials in Manufacturing Innovation Journal. This one's entitled Streamlining Multi-Scale Materials Modeling, the MUSICode Low-Code Approach for Simulation Workflows and Executable MODAs. This work comes to us from a variety of research institutions and companies across Europe. It's led by Dario Campagna at ESTECO software company in Trieste, Italy. You can check them out. So before I get into this paper, a bit of context for what this is going to be doing. In industrial R&D settings, you very often have, in your process to discover or develop new materials, there's a bunch of different simulation processes that might take place, all the way from the atomistic to sort of macro scale simulations. And in the past, they have relied on these sort of diagrams called MODAs, M-O-D-A. That's modeling data workflows. These are good for describing the process that has to take place, but they're not executable and they require a bunch of coding or programming expertise. So what this paper is going to try and do is introduce a new tool, MUSICode, which is going to make these things executable, very little code needed, right? And they're going to be something that is now scalable, fair data compliant, and all that, right? So before we get into the approach of how they did that, first let's talk about what happened before, the prior art. So I think this diagram here does a pretty good job of showing the sort of state of the art that they were trying to address, right? Here they have MODA, which was introduced in 2018. This was basically a standardization approach for talking about these. In 2020, this was improved to become OSMO because they added ontologies. And in 2022, it got further improved because they included process topologies. That was ModeGraf. And then most recently in 2024, now you introduce MUSICode, this open innovation platform, which includes a standardized description and process execution. So how are they doing that? If you check here in section 3 of the paper, they sort of get into it. Essentially what they're doing, it says here, the MUSICode project employs BPMN, that's business process modeling notation, as a digital MODA representation. So they're taking that schematic of what they want to happen, and now they're turning it into a real representation, right? And then it says, this produces a concretely executable simulation workflow that runs on MuPIF, that stands for Multi-Physics Integration Framework. Thus, this BPMN business process modeling notation bridges the space between a modeling workflow definition and its actual executable encoding, merging them into a single entity, ensuring fair compliance, and opening the possibility for reuse and generation of additional workflow implementations. Here's an example of something that used to be a MODA workflow of the processes that needed to take place. Now they've been replaced by this BPMN translation. And this, of course, can be done for much more complex processes here. Here's a multi-step process where you can also translate this to BPMN. Now, because this is a software company doing this, you see these really nice sort of user interfaces that make it easy to translate or map these BPMN data inputs and outputs into material data attributes you might care about. Let's explain all this in the context of a real example. They show a use case in their paper here where they talk about the actual optimization of, let's say, an ensemble of molecules for some electronic properties, right? So in this scenario, you might consider something like this, where you have your ensemble of different molecules, right? And they were relaxed at some temperature, which is not the temperature that you care about. So you know you're going to have to do molecular dynamics to relax them to a new temperature. Then once you've done that, now you're going to do DFT simulations, a different calculation, on each individual molecule to extract, say, electronic properties, band gap or something. And then you're going to do some post-processing to figure out statistics of your energetics overall. Right, this is maybe a typical process you might consider. Well, if this was just a MODA workflow, it would be represented something like this, right? You've got your inputs, you've got the different processes, you've got the outputs you want to get from it, right? You have this grain, or in other words, this ensemble of molecules and the temperature of interest. There's all these calculations happening here in the middle, and then you're actually extracting things like the mass density or the average gap or the energy disorder, things like that. Well, we want to convert this sort of diagram into an executable script using MUSICode, right? Where it's going to use business process model notation and then integrate it with multi-physics integration framework. So here you see it. This is now the translation of that MODA schematic into an actual workflow, right? Using BPMN. So what are some of the takeaways of this process? First off, it's become dead easy. Very little coding required. This is truly a low-code approach. This is something that I'm happy about because this is fair data compliant, right? This is now traceable, reusable. We can understand what's going on. It's machine readable. And then finally, I like the example here where they've shown it in a real world scenario because it shows how this could be scaled to other industrial processes. So I hope you'll check it out yourself.